So first we'll say Guru Namaskar, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Okay. So in this PPT we are going to what is Hora system. According to Vedic astrology, a day starts from sunrise and it ends in the next day sunrise. So 60 gatis, that is 24 hours. Each gati is with 24 minutes. Each hour has its own importance with positive and some with negative effects. The word hora is believed to be have come from the word hota, which means day and night. In Tamil, it is known as horai. Hora is our the what to say seven planet of the first of the seven planets. Rahu Ketu does not own a hora. The Lord of Hora starts from the slowest planet. So, okay, and it moves to the fastest planet based on the characteristics of the ruling planet. A particular Hora of a particular day could be auspicious or inauspicious. So Saturn being the slowest planet, which takes 29 years for completion of one orbit, is the first Hora Lord. Jupiter is the second slowest planet, which takes around 11.86 years to complete an orbit, which is the second Hora Lord. Mars takes around 687, the third Hora Lord. Start from Saturn, Jupiter, Mars. Instead of Earth, we are replaced with Sun, then Venus and Mercury. This is how the Hora order goes. So the Sun is the next, and the Vedic astrology, Earth is replaced with Sun in geocentric method. Earth takes 365 and quarter days to complete its orbit. It is the fourth Lord, Hora Lord. Venus takes around 225 days to complete its orbit. Therefore, Venus is the fifth Hora Lord. Mercury takes around 88 days to complete one orbit. Therefore, it is the sixth Hora Lord. Finally, Moon takes 27 days to complete an orbit, and it's the fastest one. It is the seventh Lord, Hora Lord. So this is how the placement is done according to geocentric method. We have replaced Earth instead of Sun to understand. So to have a easy idea and easy remembrance of Hora, we have divided this chart, South Indian chart, ma'am, Rupam, this is South Indian chart. We are divided into two parts. Okay, we are and taken the first half alone. So the Saturn is placed in the Saturn's own house. Second is Jupiter; it is in its own house. Mars also in the own house. Sun alone is taken in the exalted place. Okay, so Sun will be in the fourth position. Fifth house, Venus in the own house, Mercury in the own house, Moon in the Hora order. With just having this half chart in your mind, except Sun, which will be in the what to say fifth place, will move to the fourth place, but not fifth place. Kala Purusha's fifth house will move to the first house of the Kala Purusha, which is its exalted house. So now we are seeing how the Hora moves. So I said that the slowest planet Hora will be this, and the timing. What I have done here is an approximate timing according to Chennai, but it differs from country to country. Okay, so the first sunrise time will be taken as the first Hora. So Shani Hora starts first. Second will be Jupiter's. Third will be Mars. Fourth will be Sun. Will be Venus. Seventh will be the Sun. So by 1 p.m., the first cycle of the Hora will be completed, and the second cycle will start and go till 7 o'clock in the evening. Okay. Then again, the third cycle will start and end up at o'clock. Okay. From there, again, three Hora will be of fourth Hora will be the starting the next day after the sunrise, which will be the first Hora, Sun Hora, and the name of the day has been given as Sunday. Okay, this continues for 24. From Mercury, it will break down to Moon. You can see here. So Moon, the first Hora Lord will Moon, and the day is named as Monday. Actually, it was. They also say that it was a Moon day, which was converted into Monday. On that, but okay, it goes again three times, and the three horas extra. and the next day starts with Mars. So that is called as Tuesday. So on the next day will start with Mercury, then the next day with Jupiter, and the last day with the Friday. So you can see the beauty here is it will end up with the moon, where the cycle has to be a fresh cycle. So all here it will say Mars. Mars will be continued with Sun. Jupiter is the second hora. The third hora is Mars. Here Saturn is the what is the first hora. Second hora is Jupiter. Here you can see Sun is the fourth hora, and the fifth hora is the Venus. But Moon is the last hora. Again, the first hora next week it will start with Saturn again. I think till here it is clear. Now we are going into this sub hora. Is again divided into 1 minute per uh, Rashi. So cycle of sub hora will be 12 minutes, which means within an hour there will be five planet which will be owning its sub hora. So Saturday, as we start the first hour with uh, Saturday, the first sub hora will also start with Saturn. Okay, like as you're in your Vimsodari Dasha, the first Dasha and Buddhi will start with the same Lord. So same, the first hora starts with Saturn. Second hora, that means there's a first 12 minutes owned by Saturn, second 12 by Sun, third 12 by Moon, fourth 12 by Mars, and the fifth 12 by Mercury. So the sixth 12 which has to start will start at next hour, which will be Jupiter. So the next hora will start with Jupiter, then it will go to Venus, Saturn, Sun, Moon. The third hour will be first hora will have five. The chain will continue. Mercury to Jupiter, it will move around. Then from Moon to Mars, from Jupiter to Venus, from Venus again it has to start from Saturn. So the chain again will continue because sub hora goes on the day basis. Saturn, okay, Saturn, then Sun, Moon, Mars, and Mercury. The second hora will start with Jupiter. Okay, Jupiter, Venus will be the next day after Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. The third will be Mars, means Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So the hora, sub hora will be moving around. So finally, you can say Jupiter, Venus. From Venus is Friday. Again, it will start with the Saturday. So this cycle also goes well here. The hora starts from Saturday, which is the slowest planet. Therefore, the day is called a Saturday, and so on. Each day is named with the first hora lord. It was also considered as a day of labor in ancient age and was on holiday. It was considered as the first day of the week. Later, first day of the week was changed. In Greek and all, I think Saturday was holiday for long years. We can also notice the hora cycle starts from Saturday and ends with moon on the last day of the week. Each day has three cycles, that is 21 hora plus three horas. The chain continues for the 7 days, and on the eighth day, it starts back with this Saturn again. Sub hora is of 12 minutes for a cycle, 1 minute in each house. It takes 5 cycles to complete an hour. Hora. The rest two hora moves to the next hora. Next two, yeah, lords move to the next hora, and the first lord will be the hora lord of that particular hora. Okay. For example, let us take Saturn as the hora lord. The sub star from Saturn, 12 minutes for the first sub. I think I have explained all this. I don't want to redo it.
Yes,
Same
Keshav.
thing as explained. Yeah. See, a day you start a auspicious thing. Say the Murta falls on Tuesday. The Hora, the Murta should not fall something in a what to say Mars or Sun hour during this 2 hour, because it will not be an auspicious thing. It has to either finish up before o'clock, or the Murta will be after say 8 o'clock, late Murta. So that's why this Hora is very important. Rupa ma'am was asking if I want to buy a vehicle on a Tuesday, it will be the best time will be from 8 to 9. Say 8 to 9, you will say your shop is not open or something like that. So you can go into Moon Hora or Mercury Hora, where the sub Hora will be of Venus. So that will help in completing your work smoothly. See, you want to go something related to government, so you can go on Sun's sub Hora. If it is 9 o'clock, okay, you can go at say 4 p.m. But here, if you see, it will be in 6 o'clock, and then it will be at 1. If you miss that, you will find only after 8. So in between, you will not have a time. The office may not be working. So what we have to do is we can go in any other hora, but the sub hora should be sun sub hora, so that the work will happen smoothly.
I mean, depending upon the kind of work.
Yeah, kind of work. So if you want to go for an education, you have to find either Jupiter Hora will be the best or Mercury Hora. Okay.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe.